Hello everyone, I'm Becky Anderson and you are welcome to your Fed Excel lessons for today. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the mid function in Excel. So over here, we have a sample data of the staff of Fed Excel, which includes the employee name and their unique employee IDs, which were auto-generated based on the name of the institution, abbreviated as FD, the first three letters in their name. So for Bismarck here, let's say BIS, for Joyce, JOY, and it follows like that. The year employed, and lastly, the Fed Excel branch where they function from, which over here is identified with a unique code. So if let's say from our data, again, we would like to extract the year employed, here you hit your equal to sign, then mid, next, you select your text string, comma, then you'd indicate your start number. That is to say, which character would you like to start with? And here we are looking at a set character, thus 6, comma, and here you'd indicate how many characters you'd like to pull out. And over here we are looking at 4 characters, that's 2020. So 4, then you close your parentheses and you hit on enter. And here you have all your data populated. Thank you for joining in today, and don't forget to like and share this video. See you next time.